Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Vegetable Kingdom. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn how to agree or disagree politely. Before this, in your page number 35 on your book, I have taught you how to express opinion in conversation. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of group oral interaction to agree or disagree politely. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Nahl, verse 64, and we have not revealed to you the book, O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, except for you to make clear to them that wherein they have differed, and as guidance and mercy for a people who believe. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking to our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling him that this book, the Quran, has been revealed to find out the differences between the people so that they can know, they can get the guidance, and they can get mercy from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So my dear students, this verse is telling us there can be differences. Okay, so whenever there is a difference, how we can discuss with each other, this is what we are going to learn today. Okay, so first you tell me, what should we say when we agree with someone? And what should we say when we disagree with someone? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you answered correctly. First of all, what is the meaning of agree? What do we mean when we say agree? Agree means to have a same opinion from someone else. Means someone is saying something and we agree, we have the same opinion. It means we agree with the person. And how do we show this agreement? We use phrases or words like that. Yes means you are saying something and the other person says yes. It means whatever you said, the person agrees. Okay, sure, you are right, I agree with you. That's so true. That's exactly how I feel. So these are the words and phrases which we use when we want to show our agreement with a person. Yes, whatever you are saying, yes, I agree with you. All right. But what is disagreement then? Disagree means to have a different opinion from someone else. Means a person is saying something but you think differently. It means you disagree with the person. And beta, for disagreement we have to be very careful. Okay, how do we express it? We say no. And how should we say no? No, how can you? No, we have to say no politely. No, I don't agree, because then tell the reason. What is the difference? Why you don't agree? I don't see it that way. I disagree with you on this. And this is the very beautiful way to show your disagreement. I respectfully disagree. Means whatever is your point of view, I respect that, but I disagree because my thinking, my point of view is different. So beta, as I told you in the beginning of the lesson, it is very normal and natural to disagree, but it is important how we express that disagreement. So whenever either you agree or you disagree, you should show it politely in a very decent and nice manner. Okay, this is what we are learning today. Okay, so we use phrases I agree. If you agree, you say I agree to express our agreement, and I don't agree or I do not agree to express our disagreement. Both ways politely. That's very important. Okay. Even if we disagree, we should take care of the emotions of the other person. We can express ourselves, but we should not hurt the other person. Okay. So we should express our disagreement in a very nice manner, in very polite way. Okay. So let's see. There is a dialogue between two boys, and how do they express their agreement or disagreement. So the conversation is already going on because it is not starting from Assalamu alaikum, and we know whenever we start talking, we say Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. Now they are already in the conversation. One is saying, is it good to take exercise? Now it's a question. The other can say yes or no. The other can agree or disagree. So he's saying, yes, it's good because it keeps us fit. That's right. Do you exercise daily? Yes, I do exercise every day. You see, there are two statements, and the person whom we are talking with, he is showing his agreement. The next statement is, I think playing games is waste of time. Now one is showing his point of view. The other is saying, I think differently. Playing games make us fit. Okay, I think differently. Fine. Is playing video games a good habit? Now, games, does it include video games? The other is saying no, it's very harmful. I think we should not eat chocolates. I totally disagree with you, but I totally agree with you. We should not eat chocolates. But sometimes it's okay. Now you see, one can show his or her opinion, and the other person can agree or disagree, but in a nice manner, very politely, right? So the way we have learned this expression, how can we show our agreement or disagreement? Let's practice it through an activity. So what we are going to do? Teacher will divide class in pairs, and teacher will write sentences on board. Means students are going to make sentences using the items on the board. For example, one says, today it's hot, right? This will be one of the sentences written on board. The other student will respond, I agree or I disagree. Okay. So in the pairs, students take turns in choosing an item from their partner to make sentences about to agree or disagree. So you will select a statement from the board, and your pair, the other student in your pair, will show agreement or disagreement, but don't forget to be polite. So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences to agree and disagree politely. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, here are things written here. You will read the instructions and you will complete this task to show agreement or disagreement. So what we have learned today? Today we got knowledge how we can agree or disagree with someone's opinion politely, and which type of courtesy words we can use to show our opinion respectfully. So that's it for today. In this way, we have achieved our SLO to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of group oral interaction to agree or disagree politely. Right? So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.